The history of the Philippines is rich and complex, shaped by indigenous cultures, colonial rules, revolutions, and modern progress. Here an overview. Pre-colonial period before 1521. The Philippines was home to various indigenous groups with their own cultures, languages, and political structures. Early Filipinos engaged in trade with neighboring regions like China, India, and Middle East. Societies were organized into barangays ruled by datus. Spanish colonization, 1521 to 1898. Portuguese explorer Ferdinand Magellan arrived in 1521 claiming the island for Spain but was killed by Lapu-Lapu and the Battle of Mactan. Spain colonized the Philippines in 1565 led by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. The Spanish ruled for over 300 years, introducing Christianity, Spanish law, and the economia system. Jose Rizal and other intellectuals sparked nationalist movement against Spanish rule. The Philippines Revolution, 1896 to 1898. Bonifacio and Emilio Aguinaldo sought independence. American is Japanese period, 1898 to 1946. Spain ceded the Philippines to the United States after the 1898 Treaty of Paris. The Philippines-American War, 1899 to 1902, issued with Filipino resisting American rules. The Commonwealth of the Philippines, 1935 to 1946, preferred the country for independence. During World War II, 1941 to 1945, Japan occupied the Philippines. Filipinos fought alongside American forces to liberate the country. Independence and Modern Era, 1946 present. The Philippines gained independence on July 4, 1946. The country experienced political and economic challenges, including the martial law period. 1972 to 1981 under Ferdinand Marcos. The People Power Revolution, 1986, ousted Marcos and restored democracy. The Philippines continues to evolve politically, economically, and culturally. In the 21st century,